Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup and Hustle. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Vidhi and today I'm presenting you with a Nykaa haul. So I hope you guys are keen and interested. If you are, please don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. And please also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up while you're subscribing. But without further ado, let's see what I got. Before we dig into what I've bought, I just quickly want to show you how well they've packaged it. So look at that. How freaking incredible. I think nothing is broken, so I'm excited. I can't remember what I bought because I kind of bought it, I think 2 days after I got here and I was still sort of tired. Not jet lagged per se, but just exhausted. So let's see what I got. I think I got a few color bar things and I really do like color bars, so I'm excited to see. I think I'm centered. I hope I'm centered, but that's my dad at the back. I really miss him. Life is hard. But anyways, I'm telling you, this place is so noisy. I do apologize, but let's get into it. Okay, I did order a few nail polishes. So the first one out of the box is this Nykaa nail enamel. This is, I have no idea what shade this is. This is mint chocolate chip. That's what that looks like. How pretty. We have the Nykaa Skin Genius BB cream. This is all-in-one cream SPF 30. Let's have a look. I got it in spiced cinnamon, 04 spiced cinnamon. I hope this is a good shade, but that's what the packaging looks like. Okay, and that's what that is. I think that would be a pretty decent shade. What do you guys think? Maybe a tiny bit dark, perhaps? Not sure. Forgot to sit with like a paper towel. Oh well. Then I got the K-Beauty Bare Soul eyeshadow palette. How cute is that? And it's got some steps at the back. Let's open her up. So it's cardboard packaging, very well packed. This is oxidizing. Look at that. Yuzzas. Anyway, oh wow, this is like packaging and packaging and packaging. There's more to unpack, more layers. Oh, pretty. This reminds me of my Glam palette by Natasha Denona, and I think I have brought it, so we'll definitely try it, but look how pretty that is. I love. Yes. So I know I got two things for free. And one of them was this K-Beauty Kajal pencil, and this is in Spade, I believe. Yep. I actually have, this is my third one because I bought two accidentally. Well, I bought one and then I bought a second one accidentally, and this is the one that came free. Anyways, then I have this Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick in Janvi. What is this noise now? Oh my gosh, it's endless. That's what that looks like. Let's see. Oh, pretty. So that's what that color is. I like it, it's nice. Then I also got their K-Beauty Matte Lip Crayon. I actually have one of them and I really loved it, so I thought I would get another shade. This is in Wee Hours. More packaging. What is with this brand? Oh, this is a really nice nude. So that's what that looks like. Love. And then another nail polish. This shade is just so cute. This is another Nykaa nail enamel. This is in the shade 64. This is Hasta La Pista. There we go. That is so pretty. I'm excited. But I kind of feel like I got two similar shades, but I guess I can do like ring finger with that speckled one. I got a matte nail polish in the shade Nutcracker Dreams. That's what that looks like. I think two more things to go. That's pretty much it. Okay, so what is this? Okay, so this is the free thing. Pretty big for a free item. Okay, so this is the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer Water Calm It Down. And okay, not bad. That's what that looks like. Just clear water. And obviously I have makeup on, so I'm not going to be priming my face. And then I have the Color Bar Skin Perfect SPF 60 foundation, and this I got in the shade 013 Silken Glow. So I think this is like a moisturizing or like luminizing foundation. And that's what that looks like. I think this is a pretty good match, I hope. Yeah. So that's what that looks like. I think that one would be a little bit lighter, but I think I can pull it off like if you darken it with like a bronzer or something, or perhaps mixed in with this one as well. This one has oxidized significantly. I reckon I can use it as a bronzer. I think, I don't know. But I really like this. It's got a doe foot applicator. Reminds me of like the Makeup Revolution one, or I don't know if it's a glowy one, but if it's glowy, then perhaps the Charlotte Tilbury one as well. I don't know. I don't want to throw out Charlotte Tilbury just like that. But anyways, that is it for my haul. I think that's everything. Pretty tiny haul, but I think I have more of these lipsticks that I want to pick up. I have a few more highlighters that I want to get from K-Beauty, and I also need their foundation. They were out of stock in my shade, so I'm hoping that it'll be back soon and I can order it before I leave. Otherwise, I need to find an alternative to where I can get it. If you guys have any recommendations, please leave them down below for me. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tiny little haul, this quick little haul. And if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. I hope you guys are doing well. Please stay safe, take care, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.